Hi everyone, welcome back to my Airtable tutorial series. A lot of people ask me how to connect ChatGPT to Airtable for free. We can use Zapier or use some third-party extension, but it's not free to use, it's kind of expensive. So in today's video, I will show you a completely free way to link ChatGPT to Airtable. It is using custom script or JavaScript. I will make this tutorial very quick, so make sure you will watch till the end of the videos. You can watch the video I pinned in top right corner right here. That video will compare all the ways to link ChatGPT to Airtable. I compare all the pros, cons, and pricing as well. Okay, let's jump to the videos now. I have an example Airtable projects, Trump tariffs. You can see here a country, China, European, Vietnam, and Taiwan. The charge to USA by percent, the USA tariff by percent, and the prompt. You can read my prompt here. It's similar like Microsoft Excel. Create a small social media post about the country, charge to USA, so we charge them USA tariffs. Only give me block, no explain or titles. So, this is the prompt I will test in this video. I will move my webcam a little bit. Okay, perfect. You can see the prompt here. Create a social media post about China, charge us 67%, and we will charge them 34%. Only give me blog post, no explain or titles. Similar to this one, European, Vietnam, or Taiwan. I will use JavaScript to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. You go to extension, you add an extension, and you add the scripting over here. Add extension. Start from scratch. Okay, now you can delete all of this. If you know how to code in JavaScript, you can make a script by yourself by reading the documentation here or reading some example here. But if you don't know how to code, you can copy my code. I will leave that in the description. You copy this, you paste here. The things you need to do before running the code. First one, you need to paste your API key here. If you don't have OpenAI account, you need to create one. Now to find API key, you click settings, you click API keys, and you create new secret keys. I will copy my API keys that I created before. I paste it here. And then you need to check the ChatGPT model. I will use GPT 4.1 midi. Next, you need to check the table names. The table name is the names of the table that you will use to connect to ChatGPT. Is table 1 for now. You see here, table 1. Okay, for the rest of the code you do need to care about. Before running this code, you need to do one more thing. First is your prompt. In the column name of the prompt, you need to fill in like me. Next one is the output. If you use prompt 1 as an input, you need to fill in prompt 1 output like me. Or if you use prompt 2, prompt 3, you fill in the same prompt 2 output or prompt 3 output. This is very important because if you set up the column name not like me, the code can be returned some errors. Okay, after you make sure everything is correct, you run the code. When you run, it asks you to pick a record. If you pick the first record of the table, the script will automatically run from the first one to the end of the table. For now, I will pick the first one. It's China. Okay, you see here, all prompts have been processed. It returns some error here because my ChatGPT API don't have enough credit. But you can check the output here. Like this, ChatGPT give me return from the input prompt. Similar to European, Vietnam, and the Taiwan don't have because I don't have enough credit. But if you have credit in your ChatGPT account, the script should work normally. Okay, some reminder for you guys when you use the script. The first issue is this one. You don't have enough credit on your ChatGPT account. Solution here is easy. You add more credit to the ChatGPT account. Next issue, the code could return something like this. Cannot reach properties of undefined. When you have this problem, you need to check for me two things. The first thing, you need to make sure that your API key is correct. If your API key has some problems, you can delete your old API keys and generate a new one and paste it here. The second thing is you need to check the model of the ChatGPTs. You need to make sure that the model name is correct. If the model name not correct, it will return errors. This solution for me is very fast, very quick. Don't need to rely on any third-party apps or extension. But if you want to do some modification for the code, you need to know JavaScript. Okay guys, that's all my tutorials. If this video helpful for you, please give me a subscribe, a like, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos.